We have discussed the historical novel, the Gothic novel, the picaresque novel, epistolary novel, and novels of manners in the previous lectures. Now we are going to look at the different aspects of a new kind of novel, the realistic novel. Everyone is quite sure about the realistic novel because we know what realism is. Realism is representing reality as such in art, literature, painting, music, etc. So we have realism. Realistic novels are novels which are characterized by the fictional attempt of the novelist to give effect to realism, give effect of realism. And realistic novels is a combination of real facts and imagination. So we see characters, and when we look at the characters at an incident, we understand that, yeah, this is possible, this is very much possible, this is the real life. Realistic novels emphasize the truthful representation of the actual in fiction. And realistic novels use the materials which are common, the average, and the everyday life. These novels are about the common people, common men and women, or the struggles of maybe lower class people, peasants, ordinary people working in farms or other offices. So everything is familiar to the readers. Story or events are real in the sense that they can happen in real life under the different circumstances we have in reality. And characterization is very important in realistic novels, and there is often a lot of characters in realistic novels, plenty of characters, too many characters we have in realistic novels. And the characters in realistic novels, they interact with other characters and undergo the experiences of ordinary people, possible realistic experiences we have in the realistic novels. And wonderful plenty of most of the novels written from the 18th century to the present can come under the realistic category, realistic novel. Example, we have in Jane Austen's most of the novels of Jane Austen, although called novels of manners, they are realistic, like Pride and Prejudice, Persuasion, etc. Similarly, George Eliot, The Mill on the Floors. Then we have Silas Mariner of George Eliot, and almost all the other novels that come under the so-called historical novels can also be realistic novel, because we know historical novels are also realistic, although there is the element of history in it, they are realistic novels. So plenty of novels we have in this particular pattern of realism, and any novel that is representing reality, real incidents, possible incidents and characters can be called realistic novels. Thank you very much for listening.